Trust. You can't see it, but you can feel it. We live it. From experience, every day. New goals? We achieve them together. In the office, in the factory, on the construction site, as a team. Together with co-workers, with customers, with partners. That's what makes this special. Trust holds us together. It sets the pace. It gives us clarity. It means no compromises, certainly not when it comes to quality. We listen, plan meticulously, and deliver dependably. A single approach, shared responsibly. We test, we measure, we persist. From precision tubing to pipelines, perfectly fitting, durable, always prepared for anything that comes our way. Heavily used today, and part of tomorrow's expansion. Experience provides assurance. Unity provides strength. This is how we create new goals, sustainably and economically. Step by step. Now and in the future. Trust in every dimension.